What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking. And today we're making the Neiman Marcus retail cookie, I guess. I don't know who Neiman Marcus is. I don't really know nothing about who or what this person is or a retail store or whatever. I've just been told I need to make this recipe. And getting the ingredients together, I was like, do I really need to make this recipe? I want cookies. So I looked up the Neiman Marcus cookie. And apparently, this cookie is like $250. I don't know. It's clickbait. I know nothing about Neiman Marcus, but apparently it's a big deal. So we have the ingredients almost. I didn't have a Hershey bar. I'm going to have the ingredients, the measurements all pop up on screen, listed over here somewhere. But I have flour, oatmeal, brown sugar, chocolate chips, 4 eggs, walnuts, mimicking Hershey. I did add some Twix, but it's between us. A tablespoon of vanilla, 4 sticks of butter, baking soda, and baking powder. Let's do this. All right, you want your butter at room temp. All right, we got our butter in our blender. We're gonna add our sugar. And then our brown sugar too. Both sugars. Lock it in. And start whisking.
You're gonna need a bigger boat.
So I'm gonna go ahead and mix my eggs in. I'm gonna slowly mix my eggs in. Bring my little bit of vanilla on in. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Second egg, or third egg. Fourth and final egg. I'm gonna get my flour. I'm gonna get my oats, baking soda, and baking powder. I'm gonna mix them all together. Get everything prepared. So those oats on in there with my flour. Baking soda. Baking powder. Want to get everything nice and there incorporated, okay? We're going to pour this on in. Chocolate chips. I'm not going to dump it all. I'm going to save half. Save half. And my walnuts, I cut these up. Ugh! I don't know if I got a big enough blender to hold her, Captain. I'm giving it all she got. I bought a cool tool to use. I'm excited. Hopefully it works well. I bought an ice cream scoop. So I'm going to scoop.
with a white.
And I got a cookie ball.
Hey, look.
Cookie ball.
Look. When you have some bright light, it makes the purple juice even brighter.
So now,
I'm in a Bronco shirt.
Axel is wearing a Bronco jersey.
Yeah, that's right there. See, then we're wearing Broncos.
I'm going to dunk them in the chocolate chips.
Hey,
And then dunk them again.
I do want to try that.
And then I'm going to set them on down. All right. I'm excited about pulling these out. Ugh.
Yeah.
Look at that. Superstitious. Okay. Yo, look at that. That's the Neiman Marcus retail cookie. I don't know. Gooey still on the inside. Looks absolutely delicious. And it actually is really delicious. The walnuts played nicely with it, actually. I wasn't thinking I was going to like that, but they actually play really great with the cookie overall. And y'all, I made 6, 12, 18 cookies. I still have all this. All this. I'm going to freeze this. I'm going to make them into individual cookies. Freeze it. And that way, one day I might pull one out by itself and just reward myself with a delicious treat. Plain and simple. I mean, there's a lot of ingredients to this, but it's actually really good. The oats work great with it, especially with the nuts. Like, all of it plays so well together. This is an amazing cookie. They're big. They're kind of like the crumble cookies, but make them. Try them yourself. In the description is the ingredients. I've had it on the screen. I love you. Comment below what your favorite cookie is, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.